So I hope I'm in frame. I am doing a quick video. This is my first time doing a video of such. This is just going to be a quick sinking funds update for the end of June. I have to cut my little light on. I don't even know if you guys can see it in frame. I just don't even know. I'm just trying to put something together real quick, because also I won a giveaway. So I'll talk to you guys about that in a moment, because I do want to unbox the giveaway because I'm so excited. Okay guys, so this is the tracker that I use digitally, and I can show a little clipping of it, how it looks on my phone. So I usually track everything on my phone, but I just print this out just so I can have a visual, because I'm actually recording with my phone. So I have a Samsung Note 10 that I record on, and I also use Samsung Notes to use my budget book, the PDF. So I just printed out a copy of it so I can just have a visual here for you guys now. So what we're gonna do is just go through our sinking funds and just update it, and then I'll go through and digitally update it once I finish. So I actually spent a lot this time, a lot that I should not and could not have been spending, but I did. So I'm not too happy about that. But I wanted to do this video so I can show, I want to be realistic, and it's not realistic to not spend your sinking funds. That's what they're for. So I thought I had a black permanent marker, but I'm just going to use my pen. So we're going to start with moving, and moving finishes off the month with, we started off with $50, so we finished with 50, 70, 80, 85. So we finished off the month with 85. And so that was a difference of $35. We added 35. Oh, you know what guys? Scratch that. Let me go ahead and open up the giveaway. I just cannot, because I think one of the goodies is going to also help me with this video. The first thing I got was this calculator, this Hello Kitty calculator. Oh my goodness, so adorable. So that is one of the things that I could not wait to get, because look at there. Oh my goodness, look at that, so adorable. And she had like 7 winners in her giveaway, and I was one of them. So I got that calculator. I'm just opening the last one. Like I said, she packaged this stuff, honey. And the last thing, I'm so excited to look at it. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at here. And look at the cute little bag it came in. Oh wow. I'm so obsessed already. I'm like literally obsessed. And look here, we have a new budget binder. I cannot wait to use this in July. I cannot wait. And then look, she has my name down there, Tara. And she asked me which 6 labels I wanted. So I had her to do me clothing. Oh, and then she added a little cash breakdown in there. Oh my gosh, and I love this that hers has the $2 bill, because I do want to start getting $2 bills, because I see a lot of people in the budget community, they have $2 bills. So I actually really would like to start collecting those. Oh my gosh. And then we have technology, we have travel, annual. Oh, look at this luxury, guys. Luxury. And then we have birthday. So the birthday is going to be separate from the gifts. The birthday is going to be for my birthday, and my gifts is for others' birthday. so ready to use this. Like next week needs to come on. And she also wrote me a note. So thank you so much for this. So I'm gonna leave all of her information in the down bar. Also, it should be popping across the screen. Her follow her on YouTube. Well, subscribe to her on YouTube. Follow her on Instagram. She has a TikTok as well. So if you have TikTok, go check out her TikTok. And so now we can use our calculator to do our little differences. So that's why we stopped the program. Now back to regular program. All right, so next we have car maintenance. And car maintenance, we got our car maintenance. That's all I can say about that. We started off with $426 and we ended with $20, $30, $31. So car maintenance ended with $31. So $426 minus 31. Oh, I love my calculator already. So that's a negative $395. And I think the next thing I'm gonna save up for, I need to save up just for my next oil change, but I also need to get my headlights replaced or cleaned or something, because I just drove home in the rain and I'm like, where's my headlights? Do I have headlights? Like, it was ridiculous, but okay. Anyway, next is going to be medical, and I just don't have enough space, guys. I really hope you guys can see this. I don't want to mess up the camera or nothing, but I hope you guys can see this. Please be able to see it. Medical started off with $20 in medical, and we finished with $20, $30, $35. So we finished with $35 in medical. And hopefully we be able to get up a little bit higher with some of these. And that was a plus $15. Hopefully we'll be able to get up a little higher since I don't have to stuff so much in gifts and vacations going forward. So speaking of gifts, $1. We started off with 0 in gifts. So actually we did good. We did add, but we also spent really quickly. So 0 in gifts. So vacation started off with $10, and I think we have 12, 10, 11, 12. So we have $12 in vacation. All right, so we ended with 12. That's a plus $2. All right, so home, aka house. Home started off with $32 and it ended with $20 because I said I wasn't going to spend anything on Prime Day, but they did have a good deal on a office chair, and I have been wanting to get a gaming chair, but since it was such a good deal on the office chair, I just went ahead and got the office chair, and when I move to my new place, I'll get a gaming chair. But so this is a negative of $12. I also bought a crock pot this month as well, so hopefully that'll help me save on my groceries. Clothing started off with $72, and we are ending with $5 in clothing. So $72 into the 5, so we spent 67, so a negative 67. I skipped passport. Passport started with 0, ended with 0. I explained to you guys about my passport in my restuffing vacation video. So if you haven't watched that video, it's a very short video. Just go take a look at it if you have time in your day, and it'll explain why I don't care to stuff passport at the moment. All right, Christmas started off with $30, and we have 20, 40, 50. So $50 in Christmas. Next on the list is tech upgrades. And I'm gonna be, this is my tech upgrades envelope that I just throw together. But obviously I'm gonna be switching it to my new one in my new binder. So you guys will see that for July. Paycheck number 1. So tech started with 0, ended with 2. So that was ending with $2, so we added $2. That snowball is not getting anything at the time because we're trying to build up the emergency fund. Seasonal got something. This is my seasonal envelope right now. Seasonal started off with $0 and it got $15. So 15 is plus 15. Utilities started off with $21 and now it has 20. I feel like I'm counting so flipped. 20, 40, 45, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. So $55 in utilities. So we added $34 to utilities. Next is planner. This is my planner envelope for now. Planner started off with $0 and planner got $2. So we ended with $2. Self-care did not start with anything and is ending with nothing. Annual payments started off with $10. We have 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, $26 in annual payments. And I asked her to make me an annual envelope too, so this will be moving from this envelope to my new binder. Okay, so we ended with 26, so there it is, plus 16. Okay, and last but not least, of the ones that I'm tracking is going to be emergency fund. We started off with $20 with our emergency fund and we ended with 20, 40, 60, 65. So I ended off at $65 in my emergency fund. So we added 45 in the month of June. All right, guys, so we started off, I hope you guys can see, we started off the month of June with $691 in our sinking funds. Okay, and so we're gonna go ahead and get this added up to see how much we ended with. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So we ended with $404 in our sinking funds. So we're gonna do 691 minus 404. So we have a difference of 287. So we went down $287, but that's okay. All right, guys, so that is my first little video of me doing a sinking fund closeout. But if you did finish this video, thank you so much for watching, and I will be back next week for my first budget with me for July. Thank you guys for watching. Bye, guys.